So now we're going to do the discounted ops. So the discounted ops, you just use the discounted amount. So you don't include the dividends. So our EPS for this is just our discounted ops, 2,143,360 divided by 3,717,500, which equals 0.58. Now remember, it's a loss. So that's going to be 0.58. So our net EPS then is just sum them together and get 360. So just some notes on that. Always to 2 decimal places. If discontinued, then add. And that's it. So obviously, the more complex scenario of diluted earnings per share, you will learn in Accounting 316. But right now, this is about as complex as it's going to get. So just to kind of look at it again, earnings per share, if we have discontinued operations, and only if we have discontinued, is split continuing and discontinued. So we're going to do that. Then you just start calculating the pieces. I like setting out the format so I know how it's going to look, and it's going to go at the bottom of the income statement like on page 4. So I did weighted average common shares, not cost of capital for those of you guys doing finance, weighted average common shares. Then I knew I had to calculate the after-tax amount. Sometimes it's given, sometimes it's not. So there's your new and discontinued. Then I actually went through and calculated one for continuing ops where everything included, that's in the formula. The second one where you don't include the dividends or the discontinued ops because you'd kind of be double counting them. Now what you can do is on page 4, they put earnings per share calculations so you can figure them out and see if they work. So try the calculations, EPS on page 4. Or do the suggested homework, which has that too. Okay, so hopefully things started coming back to you, especially the weighted average cost of capital. Discontinued ops was a new little piece that you probably haven't put in before, depending on which accounting intro courses you took. And here you kind of put it all together. And on page 4, it shows what it looks like at the bottom of the statement. Oh, there's also some on page 5 that you can try. Okay, so that was chapter 4. A lot of review and new little parts for each piece. So you've got the income statement, the comprehensive income statement, statement of returned equity, statement of changes in equity, the whole big thing, and earnings per share. Okay, we will see you in chapter 5.